Peafowls refer to any of three bird species in the pheasant family: the Indian peafowl, the green peafowl, and the Congo peafowl. Though commonly called peacocks, the proper name for all sexes of this bird is peafowl. A male peafowl is technically called a peacock. A female is called a peahen, and their young are called peachicks. When these animals are mentioned, the image that comes to mind of most people is that of the Indian peacock with its gloriously decorated iridescent train. However, only peacocks have these extravagant trains. The plumage of the peahen is not as lavishly decorated. When peachicks hatch, it might be difficult to tell their sexes, as they all look alike. The train of the male peafowl becomes fully developed around 3 years of age. Generally, peacocks are larger than peahens, and these size differences become more dominant as the peachicks mature. There are some unique differences between the species of peacock, but a physical characteristic common to all three species is the crest on their head. Indian peacocks have blue feathers on their neck with long blue and green tail feathers. The green peacock found in Southeast Asia has scale-like green feather necks. It also has blue and green colors in its plumage. However, it has more green and bronze feathers than the Indian peacock. The Congo peacock also has metallic green and bluish colors, but it is not as impressive as the other species. They also do not have long trains and ocelli, like other species. The peahen of all three species have similar colors to their male counterparts, but with more browns. They have a smaller train of feathers than peacocks. They are also white peafowls, which mutated from Indian peafowls, and are white because their feathers do not have pigments. Peafowls can fly despite their weight, but not for extended periods. They are social birds. A group of peafowls are called a pride, an ostentation or a muster. Peacocks make very loud sounds that can be heard 5 miles away. These birds are omnivorous, feeding on plants, insects, and other small animals. They can be preyed upon by wild dogs and cats, and other wild animals. In the wild, these birds can live up to 25 years and even longer in captivity.